Stand up, walk. Are you not dizzy? No? Ah? Pwede na mga snatch. Nakikita si Freya yung show. Tawagin natin. Uy, papunta na.
You learn how to speak Dutch? What?
Only a little.
Let me hear it.
I can go down there.
You went all the way there and you didn't learn how to speak
Hey
Dutch.
guys, we're going for a walk. I want to go down there.
When did you get so tall?
Hey, can you hold my phone?
Huh?
Ari, we're going for a walk.
Good job!
No, Filipino yun.
There.
Yeah.
First, that is the last one. Picture. Yeah, you're gonna be around veteran. I'm the winner.
No! Hey!
I can go slide down there.
Try!
Oh, I mean, no.
A tepер сюда съезжали.
Yay! You win! High five!
Double strike.
Okay, it's time. Ready?
So ngayon maglalakad-lakad na tayo. From here. Ikutin natin to. Ang daming pato dun, oh. May patay pang pato na nakita sila dun kanina. So ang daming tao ngayon dito kasi napakaganda ng panahon. Daming swan. Ano sila. Yan, tapos andun to yun, dami nila, oh. Yan, may 5 dito.
The duck's standing on me. Quack, quack.
Ray, let's go to another target. Pizza. Here.
Why
Yun
did
yan,
that
pagkatapos
one?
ka namin
Ha?
maglaro dun sa park,
Let's go
pumunta
again.
namin ng Costco.
Here's the target.
Tama-tama, gutom na kami. At pagod. So, siyempre, si Freya pagutom kahit anong kinakain ito. Dumiretso kami rito kasi alam namin maraming sampul dito. Ayan,
Busog na
libre
siya sa
foods,
sampol
libre yung
ba?
hapunan
Sampol
namin
mga
dito.
tirador ng
Sa dami
sampol.
ba namang sampol
Balik
nandito?
again.
Ayan, unang tinira namin is
Kaya din sa
pizza. And then,
Mga tirador
next
ng
namin
sampol.
dyan,
Babalik na kami.
noodles. At saka marami
Busog na
pang
naman
iba.
kami dito sa Costco
So,
ng
sa hindi
sampol.
nakakaalam, kami po ay mga tirador ng sampol. sa
Next
Costco.
target. Or meron dito, Kirkland cookies. Wow. Hey, you want to try one?
No thanks.
No?
Chicken salad today.
Wow.
Keep that.
Chicken salad. You don't like chicken salad?
You can keep it for me.
Mga tirador ng sampol to. Tastes good. Libre naman yung hapunan namin. Diba? Next target, noodles. Here you go, Pray. Hey, noodles.
They're hot, so just blow on.
Yeah. Blew it. It's hot. Pansit na naman kami tirahan. Libre yung mga hapunan namin yun.
Good thing you didn't hear that.
Like it? Busog na kami sa sampol lang. Sarap. Yakisuba pala to.